Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss the Codeforces problem B. Restore the permutation by merger. A permutation of length n is a sequence of integers from 1 to n of length n, containing each number exactly once. So, they have defined the permutation as an array which contains only distinct elements. So, this is not the permutation because one is repeated twice. So next they have given, there was a permutation P, it was merged with itself. In other words, let's take two instances of P and insert elements of the second P into the first maintaining relative order of elements. So they have taken two arrays. In the first array, they have inserted the second array, maintaining the relative order. So the sequence will become the length of 2n. So, for example, if P equals to 3, 1, 2, some possible results are. So, they have given the possible result arrays. So, this is possible because if this is P, they have merged another P directly. Next, for this array, they have merged in between the array P, but by maintaining the relative order. So they will give the result array and we have to find the permutation P. Let us see the input. The first line of the input contains one integer t, the number of test cases. So the first line will contain t and next t test cases will follow. The first line of test case contains the integer n and the second line contains 2n integers. That is the resultant array. And we have to produce the original array which is p1 and so on up to pn. So if we see the test cases, sample input, they have given the number of test case and this is the value of n and they will give 2n elements. So we can maintain, so if we check in this array, first the number is 1. So we will take it into our array. And the next one is which is inserted in from the second array. So the next number is 2. So we can directly print that value 2. And next to 2, it is taken from the second array. So we can't take that. So the elements are 1 and 2. And let's see the next test case. So 1. So we can directly print the 1 because the frequency up to now for 1 is only 1. Next 3. The frequency of 3 up to now is 1. So we can print that. And again they have given 1. We can't print that because the frequency of 1 up to here is 2. So like that we have to check. Next 4 we have to print because the frequency is 1. Next 3. The frequency is 2. So we can't print. Next 4. The frequency is 2. So we should not print. Next 2. The frequency is 1. So we have to print. And for this test case also the same. So the answer will be for this 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. And for this 1, 2, 3. And that's it. And from next elements the frequency is repeated. It means greater than 1 frequency for this element. Next 2, 3, 4 and 1. So let's see how can we code this. So I have read the value of t and now we have to scan the value of n. Now let us create an array. We have to take 2 into n because they will give us the elements 2 into n. So let's read those 2 into n elements. And now we have to think for the logic. So let us maintain a frequency array. So the elements in P will be up to n only. So I will make an frequency array. That is check equals to new int of n. I will make all the elements in check as 0. So check of I equals to 0. This is n plus 1. And now I'll check if check of A of I equals to 0. It means if the A of I frequency is 0, then we can print that element. And next please. Now we have to make the check of A of I increment. So this is our code. So let's see for the sample test cases. Oh, here 2 into n, sorry. So you can see 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, 1. So let us submit this code. So accept it. Thank you guys for watching.